Amazon. And do it in incognito mode will be better. Then I'm using POM Design Better and the Fluent Design Better. We will create a package named pages, just structuring the project, and then create a new package named days, another package for this test. This is completely optional. You don't have to follow the same pattern I use, but I recommend. In the pages, we will create a new class called search page. We need to locate this search bar and then this button. We will simply make inspect and start locating the elements. And have an ID, so it will be very easy. At first, we need to create a private web driver for this class. In the private driver action class, we'll see how to use it. We'll manage many things like synchronization or others. Then in the constructor, we will pass the driver. Telling this driver equals the passed driver. In the create new driver action class, new driver actions, passing the driver. That's it. Then start locating the elements. We located the first search bar element. We see private because it's only private to this class. No one needs to see the element. Search bar. Let's use the camel case. By ID passing. Sorry. Here is ID. Let's locate the button also. Also have an ID. We're lucky. That's it. Also can be final or should be final because it will never change. Same as here. Each time we will use the same locators, and then we will create methods to use search to return nothing, void search for item, text the item name, strength, and here driver action dot send data. Here is in the send data method. We're going to explore the methods here. If you want to willing to navigate to URL, sending data to an element. For example, sending data is ever overloaded. You can send only the locator and the locator and the data you want to send. You can if there is a custom timeout for this element, you can pass the timeout. If there is a custom pooling time special for this element, you can pass it. Otherwise, it will use the default values here, the config file. Data, and we are going to pass the locator. We are going to send data in the search bar. What is the data will be sent is the item name. We are going to search for. Here is, I can pass custom timeout or not. We'll use the default as we said. And same, another method to click search. But it takes nothing. What happens after we search for an item? Makes me to navigate to other page, but it's the same search page. For example, let's search for laptop. The same search page. So no need to create another page. We will be in the same page. So it will return void. Instead, locating, sending the element by search bar, we'll send search button. Here we need to adjust search bar name along the camel case. That's it. Here is search button. No send data. We'll click on the element. The same that happened for send data. You can send the timeout if there is custom timeout for this element. You can send the polling time if there is a custom polling time, and so on. We are using the default here as I configured it. Then we are willing, after searching for an item, to get its price and get its name, and then save them in an Excel file. So at first we need to have the URL for Amazon website, which is that we can create file here, JSON file named test data.json. And making a key named base URL with Amazon URL. What's that? Let's leave it now. And here is in the constructor of the search page, we need to make sure that each time we create a search page, driver is already navigated to Amazon URL. So we'll make driver action dot navigate to URL and reading the URL from the JSON file. How we are going to make that? Ellithium provides, as we said, Ellithium provides multiple methods for reading and writing from multiple formats. So we need to use JSON helper to read value. I'll get JSON data or JSON key value. So now we are passing the file. Pass relative pass it here, and then passing the key, which is base URL. We'll get the URL and navigate to the URL.